Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. This is my new sensor unbox video. You see the details, maximum details, gasoline sensor. It's just awesome. Extra sensor. I got extra. There's two sensor. This is just sent. There's some details information given here. This is a petrol storage where you can store 600 ml of petrol. This is a cap and use some user manual. This is power indicator light. This is handbar. Handbar is just awesome. It's very comfortable to catch. Now I will show you the sensor. I have already fitted this sensor. See, it is very sharp. It almost cut my finger. See the details information. This is the star. Where can you pull and start, switch off and on. This is the power, where can you increase your capacity. This is exhaust to exhaust. This is the engine oil. This is the exhaust.